Quotex Broker offers a range of benefits tailored to beginners in the trading world.
Firstly, its user-friendly platform ensures an easy learning curve for those new to trading, featuring a clean interface and intuitive tools.
Beginners can benefit from the comprehensive educational resources provided by Quotex, including tutorials and webinars that cover the basics of trading strategies and market analysis. The broker's demo account is another significant advantage, allowing newcomers to practice trading with virtual funds and gain confidence without risking real money. Additionally, Quotex offers low minimum deposit requirements, making it accessible for those who want to start trading with minimal financial commitment. The availability of various trading instruments, including binary options and Forex, provides beginners with diverse opportunities to explore and diversify their trading portfolios.
Quotex's responsive customer support ensures that help is readily available whenever needed, enhancing the overall trading experience for beginners.
By combining these features, Quotex Broker creates a supportive environment that helps new traders develop their skills and build a solid foundation in the financial markets.